Tyler Orton from Business in Vancouver joins us this morning from our newsroom to talk more about the fallout of the stock market from Brexit. Markets seem to be recovering, specifically the Asian markets, a little bit this morning. Tyler, how are things looking elsewhere?
Well, you know what? Let's take a look at what happened Friday here with Canada. The TSX, it would close down 1.7%. And we did not see as much volatility going on in Canada as we did in other markets. The main reason why is because a lot of investors were taking refuge in gold. The TSX is heavily weighted towards the resource sector, so that's why the TSX is faring a little bit better than elsewhere. This morning we open up, we look at the markets in Asia, as you said, they're improving there. In Europe, main stock indices in Germany, France and UK, they're down between 1.5 and 1.8% this morning. So there's less volatility going on than last week. But the pound dipped again this morning. It already closed in the UK by this point, where markets are closed at this point. But it's taken a beating as well. It fell below Friday's close as well. So it's going to be kind of a tough road to go for other currencies. Canadian dollar is not one of those safe havens that a lot of people go to during market volatility. That's the US dollar, which is doing quite well as the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. So going forward, we're doing better than we were Friday, but it's still going to be tough for a lot of investors. To get into an enthusiastic mood, there has to be a lot more done to calm people at this point.
And what about the U.S. markets? Dow Jones starting down today already, Tyler.
Yeah. And the thing to keep in mind is it's a far more diversified market than the Canadian one. So even though the TSX fared a lot better than other world markets, there's a lot more emphasis on, say, tech stocks, the energy sector. And as we see, oil is down right now. So the energy sector is having a tough time dealing with this Brexit as well. So going forward, it's going to be tougher for the U.S. But it is a lot of investors are taking the U.S. is more of a safe haven at this point. So even though the markets are down there, overall, it's better to be in the U.S. than a lot of other countries, especially, of course, the United Kingdom.
Exactly. All right, we'll leave it there. Tyler Orton, Business in Vancouver, thank you for that.
Thank you.